Welcome back to Tesla Report on Thursday, the 21st of January, the Rich Pair Market Analyst at Antip Markets. Let's look at Dolly Yen, and Dolly Yen was a big chart in focus yesterday. Massive downside day, actually. 170 ticks around about to the downside before we saw an intraday rally. Now, this rally meant that having broken 1646, we sort of closed back above it. That is a key level, 1646. Obviously, that August 2015 spike low. But I think that is a level that's still under pressure, isn't it? Today, even today, that rally has petered out, and 1645 was the low today, not early on. It still seems to be under pressure. The momentum indicator is still very negative across the board. Rallies being sold into. I've got this downtrend line here, which sort of you'd argue was sort of briefly broken, but I think it's still worth looking at. So it's in play still, I think, for a test of this 1646 level. If we break 1646, it is really quite bearish because we're opening the 2014 low. Sorry, not 2014, the December 2014 low of 115.56, so another sort of 90 ticks worth of downside. And then if you break that, it's a really bearish position because that would be a massive top pattern, and further downside potentially towards 105 area. Wow, could that be seen? Well, at the moment, obviously we're just, and I say just, holding on to this 1646 level. Yes, again we had that move yesterday to 16 figure area, just below 1596. But yeah, again we tested it and it's just hanging on by a thread. Here we see the hourly chart, and again that was yesterday's test. It sort of tested it again almost intraday, held on, tested that 1646 level again today, again held on, but the sequence of lower highs in place over the hourly chart. 1875 is the key level still for this year, a big pivot, but then 1830, I think it's 1835, and then 1810 as well, 1835 being that reaction high from the 13th, 14th. 1810, yes, was the high on the 19th, and then 1745 was yesterday's high. So just this sequence of lower highs continues. Rallies are being sold into, again, yesterday's high coming in around that 60 point on the RSI. How many times has that been seen throughout the selling phase? MACD lines rolling over around neutral, stochastic sell. I mean, it's just still negative, isn't it? Across the board. So I'm expecting further pressure on this 1645 support, and then possibly further downside towards 1550, but just hanging on to 1645. It's such a key level. A close below would be the negative move. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.